In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where your NVIDIA graphics card is not showing up in display adapters. So to fix this, you need to head over to your start menu and just search for Device Manager. From the Device Manager window, click on View in the top navigation and select Show Hidden Devices. Then click on Action in the top navigation and select Scan for Hardware Changes. You can then expand the drop-down next to Display Adapters and check if you see your NVIDIA graphics card in this list. Now, if it's still not here, the next thing you'll need to do is close out of this window, head over to your start menu and search for settings and click on the settings window. From the left hand side, select Windows Update, scroll down and click on Advanced Options, scroll down and click on Optional Updates, and if you have any updates here relating to your drivers on your computer, then you'll just need to install these now and you can try checking if that solved your issue. Now, if it's still not working and you specifically have an Asus laptop, then one easy way to solve this is to head over to your start menu and search for Armoury Crate and open up the application like so. From the left hand side, click on the Device tab and then select System. Click on GPU Power Saving, and from here you need to ensure that the standard mode is selected. Now, you can't see it on my window, but if you do have an option here to select standard, then go ahead and select it, and that's another way that you can solve this issue. Now, if it's still not working, head over to your start menu and search for CMD, and then right click on the command prompt and run this as administrator. In this window, type in bcedit /PCI Express force disable and then hit enter. And once you've done that, you can once again check to see if your NVIDIA graphics card is showing in display adapters. If it's still not working, the final solution is you'll need to head into the BIOS settings on your computer. Now, how you enter the BIOS is different for every system, but usually you'll just need to restart your computer and continually press a key like F2, and that's going to take you over to your BIOS settings. Once you're in your BIOS settings, you just need to restore these to their original defaults, and that will fix the NVIDIA graphics card issue. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.